Hi, this is going to be a quick crash course regarding cargo. So let's get started. So first, simply log in to your cargo account, and here you will see all the site which you have. And if you do not have, this is going to be blank. Simply click on templates. You will see several templates here. You can choose as per your choice, but we are going to start with a blank template because this is going to be a crash course from the scratch. Simply add a blank template here, and when you will click on this, it will open it in a new tab like this. So it will give you a random URL, cargo URL, and if you will open this in a new incognito mode, so this is going to show basically that this site is private. And because if you have the subscription, then you can make the site public, but if you do not have the cargo subscription, it will remain private for the other users. So after that, on clicking on these three dots, you will see the different option. Here you can duplicate the site if you want. Then you can add it in a particular folder which you have, and you can copy the site URL link. And if you want, you can add the other user. Like if you want to invite some another user to edit your site, you can add the user from here. You can add the user email and give them the access. Like if you give them the full authority, then you can add the admin access, or you can give, if you want that your user can only see the website, then you can give the viewer access as well. And if you want that they can only edit your site, then the editor access. After that, if you want to delete the site, you can simply delete it from here, like move to trash. And on clicking on this, you can open the trash and like restore it, the site which you have deleted. Now simply we will go and edit the site, the blank template which we have added. And by default, when you see here, it will see all the pages. It will show all the pages which are present in your site. So currently by default it has the home page. You can see that this is the home page because it has the home sign. And you can set any page, home page from here. Suppose I create a new page, and this is my new home. So to edit the page name, you simply need to select it, and then you can edit the page name. And from here you can set this as the home page. Like let me write something, this is new home. So now if I make this as the home page for both desktop and mobile, and now if I refresh it, it is still showing the previous one because we haven't published the changes. Once you make any changes, you need to publish the changes so that it can reflect on the site. And if you want to just preview the site without publishing, you can make the changes, and here click on this small hand icon, and then you can see the preview draft without publishing it. So this is one more way. Now let me show you some of the options. So here by default, you know that the site is private if you do not have the subscription. So if you want to make it public, you can simply go here and click on make the site public and purchase the subscription. You can go for the yearly or the monthly subscription here. And if you have the promo code, then you can enter the promo code here. You can get a promo code if you are a student, and you need to provide the college ID to the cargo support, and then they will provide you the promo code, and you can get the cargo subscription free for 1 year. And after that, from here you can add the domain. Simply you can buy the domain from here. Suppose this is the domain which you want to buy, and here you will see the different option which you can have. You can purchase the .com domain, and simply like it will cost you $17 per year. And then you can add the existing domain here. Like if you have purchased it from GoDaddy, you can check out the videos in my YouTube channel. You will find that how you can connect that domain which you have purchased from some another domain provider. After that, here you can change the site name. Currently you can see that the site name is something blank template copy one. Here you can give your name Albert Einstein. So now if I publish the change, and now if I refresh, you can see that the site name has been changed. Similar way, you can change the fav icon. Suppose this is the fav icon which I want to use. Fav icon is basically this small icon. You can see that it is updating. Here you can see that the fav icon has been now, and after that you can give the site description here. This is my site, and then publish the change. And then here you have the contact form setting. You can change that where you want to receive the contact, if somebody fill up the contact form, where you want to receive the email. So from here you can customize. And here if you want to add the password in your site, you can add the password from here. And currently you cannot make the site public because I haven't purchased the Cargo subscription. Once you purchase it, you can make the site public from here. And yeah, so basically this is going to be a quick crash course, but if you want to learn like in a complete way, then you can check out the Patreon, and here I will add some of the exclusive videos and in a more in-depth tutorial. So yeah, you can check out the Patreon as well. After that, let's move. Then here, let's start adding some of the content. So here, let me delete this page. And let me rename this to home. So this is our basically home page. And now here you can add the content here. Suppose, let me add first a dummy content. Here I have some of the dummy content. And now if I want to add images, you can simply upload the images from here. And I'm uploading a video as well. You can upload the video, and here are several images. Now if I want to add one more page, you can see I have added one more page. Suppose this is about page. And now if I will click on this image icon, you will see that there are no images present here, because in this page we do not have uploaded any of the images. So if you will click on library, you will see that the other images which we have uploaded, and you can simply drag the images here and then you can use it. Now let's go back to the home page, and this is basically, you can simply add the images by dragging it here like this. And if you want to add a gallery, simply select the image and then you can add a gallery. Here you will see the several options, and you can choose the grid layout like this. Once you choose the grid layout, you will see the different option. If you do not see the option, simply click on the gallery. Here you can change the column. We can have the 2 column, maximum we can have the 12 column layout, but for now I'll choose the 4 column layout. And here I can upload the images in the gallery. I can also upload the video. You can see that this is the video, and on clicking on this small icon which you can see, you will get the several options like disable zoom, because if I preview here, you can see that on clicking on this it will zoom, like it will open in a light box. So if you want to disable it, you can simply go here and disable the zoom. And if you want to add the caption, you can add the caption here. This is caption. And after that, what you can do, so this is the video, and on clicking on this you will see the different option related to videos. So by default it is autoplay selected. You can disable the autoplay. You can enable the default control, so it will show the control like play button and full screen, all these things. If you want to change the default poster image, you can change the poster image for the video. And here then the user can simply click on this and play the video. You can add the caption for here as well, video. Now there are other layout which you can try. One is columnized, so you can change it to 2, and here you can see that once it is selected, you can see the difference between grid and columnized version. And then we have the slideshow. So this is basically the slideshow. Now the images are showing in a slideshow. Once you will click on the gallery, you will again see the option related to the slideshow. You can select the fade. Now it will fade the image. Here you can change that transition speed. If you do not want to display these navigation, you can just uncheck this. And if you want to disable the caption, you can uncheck this as well. You can disable the autoplay as well, but I'll keep this. And you can change the other option like scale, height, and fit to screen. So you can change the image height as well, like this. You can disable the zoom and enable the shuffle, like every time a random image will show up now when the user will visit the site. Now let's see one of the how to create different layouts. So suppose you want a 2-column layout, so simply you can click on add and add a column here. Now we have the column, you can see. And if I add the text now, you can see that I can control the column size, and I can also drag the image in the second column layout like this. Now if you want to add a 3-column layout, simply click on plus icon, and then we can have the 3-column layout like this. Like again we can have the text in the 3rd column like this. And then if you want to add more column, you can simply add more column like this. My bad. To change this, let me remove this as close this view. So now you can simply add the image in the last column as well. To remove the column, simply click on this minus icon, it will remove the column. So here you can create the layout as per your choice. Now this is how you can like create different layout. If you want to add a button, simply click on plus icon, and here you will see the button option. Here you can add the button, and then you can customize this, contact me. So this is the contact me button. I'll show you that how you can add the contact form. Let me show you. So simply you can select the text, and here this is the link option, link to page. Here you will see all the pages which we have created here, but we want to navigate this to the contact form. So now if I preview it, you can see that it open up the contact form. So this is how you can add the contact form, default contact form in Cargo. After that, let me just publish the change, and let's see how So here you can see that how it is looking now. Let's create a header now. So header is basically, we will create a new page and we will call this as header. Here I will add a home, and then I'll create a column, because what I want the menu option like about here, and then again I'll add the tab to add space, and then contact. Then I'll simply select this, and from here you can change the text alignment. And currently it is 3-column layout, so I'll make it 2-column layout like this. And once you do this thing, so this is going to be our header, and this is going to be common for the other pages. To make it common, you need to pin this page, and once you pin, you can see that it is pinned here. Let me change the background color little bit. So from here you can change the page background. Here you can see that this is the page background, and once let me just remove this. So you can see that once I add the page background, the text behind this header is not visible. So to fix this thing, you need to go in the pin setting, and here you need to click on adjust other content, so that the other content which you add show below this header. So you can fix this from here. And now if I go in the about page, you can add the about here like this. You can add the about content, and again I'll add a column, and here you can add the image like this. So this is going to be our about page. Now I will go back to the header, and now I will link this about to the about page. Now if I go preview draft, here you can see that this is the common header which we have created, and on clicking on about, it will go to the about page. Now we want that on clicking on home, it should go back to the home page. So simply go to the header again, select the home, and simply navigate to the home. So what you can do, you do not need to select home here. You need to go in the here and select the home. So by default, what it will do, the page which you have selected as home by default. So in the future, you might create a new page and make that as a home page. So it will directly treat that as a home page. And now what will happen? When you go to the about page and click on home, it will go to the home page which you have set as a home by default. So this is how you can fix this thing. Now here is the contact form. If you want that on clicking on contact, it should open your email, then you can simply click on this link option again and click on email. Here you can add your email like this. And suppose you want to add, let me just, so now in the about page, you want to add more your social media icons. So you can click on this option, and from here you can add the social media icons like Instagram, and then you can link your Instagram profile here, instagram.com/your profile, and yeah, it will then open the Instagram. Let me just show it to you. So it will open your Instagram profile like this. Actually, I added the wrong URL. So I hope you understand this now. Now, if you want to create a footer, simply create a new page, footer, and here all rights reserved. So what I want this to be pinned at the bottom of the page. So again we will pin this. Now you will see that it is pinned at the top of the page, but I want it at the bottom. Here you can see that now it is at the bottom. If I want to change the background color, you can change the background color like this. And now I want that it should be fixed. And like it should not be at the bottom, it should be fixed on the page. So I will fix it in a place. Now you can see that the footer is fixed. Similar way, if you want, you can fix the header as well. But for now, I'll unfix that thing. Like I'll not make that thing fixed. After that, let's see. So now, if you want to if you want to change the text styling, so what you can do, you can go in the about. Suppose this is the about page, and you can go on the about page here, and here once you select it, by default you can see that the body copy is selected. The text which you add by default is body copy. You can change to heading 1, heading 2 as well, heading 2 like this. So if I change it to heading 1, and now I want to change the font size of this heading 1. So you can go here and go in the text style setting, and here you can select the heading 1. Here you can change the fonts if you want. You will see the different fonts provided by Cargo. I have selected this one. Here you can see that it is changed now, and from here you can change the font size, letter spacing if you want. Here you will see the other options as well. If you want to add border, box, shadow, you can customize it from here. And if you want, if you know little bit of CSS, you can add the CSS here as well. Like if I want to like you can change the color from here, like, but here you can also you can directly change it from here. But like additional CSS, like let me show you. If I want, what kind of additional CSS I can have, like let me just add text decoration underline. So here you can see that I have added CSS here, and it is reflecting for this H1 as well. So here that's how you can customize. And if you want to customize the body copy, which is the by default text, you can select the body copy here and change the font size here, and font weight if you want, font size, line height. This is basically for the line height. So yeah, that's how you can customize the line height as well. Apart from that, let me publish the changes. So if you want, so Cargo also provide the e-commerce option. So you can, like if you want to sell products, you can create products here, product, add the pricing and inventory, all these things like this. And here you can simply add the product. So now if user want to purchase the product, like they can also purchase it, but you need to add additional settings, like setting up the payment provider informations, all these things. So I have covered everything in this tutorial. If you want to check it out, you can also check this thing. So I hope like this was a quick crash course. I hope this is useful to you. Thank you so much.